How to create AI videos using Visla AI. First, open your web browser and go to visla.us. Then sign in with your Google account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Visla dashboard, click Create Video or New Project, depending on the current interface. Next, choose Generate from Text if you want to create a video from a prompt. Now, type a description of the video you want to create. For example, enter create a 30-second promotional video for a coffee shop with modern visuals, smooth transitions, and upbeat background music. After entering your prompt, choose the video style, aspect ratio, and language if those options are available. Then click Generate. Visla AI will automatically create a video using AI-generated scenes, stock footage, transitions, captions, and background music based on your prompt. Once the video is ready, review each scene. You can edit the text, replace clips, change the music, adjust transitions, or add your own media if needed. Finally, click Export to save your video. On the free plan, export quality and AI credits may be limited. That's it. You've successfully created an AI video using Visla AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, video creation tips, and easy tech guides.